Tired of using the same old number with Aisensy? Let's switch things up and learn how to update your phone number for uninterrupted communication. First, logged into your Aisensy account, you'll need your username and password for this part. Once you are in, navigate to the account settings or profile section, usually found by clicking on your profile picture or account name. Okay, once you're in the account settings, look for a section labeled Contact Information, Phone Number, or something similar. It should display your current registered number. Now, you'll see an option to edit or change your phone number. Click on the Edit, Change, or similar button next to your current number to initiate the update. A pop-up window or a new form will appear here. Carefully enter your new phone number, making sure to include the correct country code. Double-check for any typos. After entering your new number, Aisensy will likely send a verification code to that number via SMS. Keep your phone handy. Enter the verification code you received into the provided field on the Aisensy platform. This confirms that you have access to the new number and it's really you. Once the code is verified, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. Congratulations, you're all set. Remember to inform your contacts about the number change to avoid any communication disruptions. Now, go on and enjoy seamless messaging with your updated Aisensy account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Aisensy tips.